Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to Main Beach Park in Amelia Island, Fernandina Beach, for the Amelia Kickoff car show hosted by Classic Motorsports magazine. Anyway, this is going to be the car show cam. We kind of had front row seats, but then we're in the parking lot. So you get to see some of what parks in front of the camera. So I don't know how much is here. I don't know how much you'll enjoy it, but we're going to have to make a video out of it anyway because it's right there. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We really enjoy this event. This is our favorite event when it comes to the Amelia. It's free admission. Get that word there. Free admission. You get to see some of the classic cars that would be at the Amelia beforehand. Now, this year was a little different because they moved the Amelia from Sunday to Saturday, so a lot of the guys that would have come out didn't. They changed it just to screw with us, I'm telling you. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure you drop us a like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'm going to shut up now. Let's rev it up in them hot rods. Car classics. Sorry, classics. This bud's for you. Can't see the beach for the Budweiser truck.
Yeah. This different?
No. It's the same.
They got some kind of tent already set up. Alright, well, we normally park.
Well, I can park in any of them 4 spots.
Yeah.
What do you think, if I should park right over there?
Yeah.
Watch out for that red car, huh?
Uh-huh. So where do you think they're coming in at?
Over yonder.
Oh, okay.
See that little thing set up over there? The little scaffolding with the...
Yeah, Amelia.
Yeah, they'll come in behind that.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, shit, I don't know when that's going to happen. Because that's $50. Or more. This afternoon, you need to walk over and leave shithead a note.
Mm-hmm.
If you are one of our Classic Motorsports volunteers here to work with the show, your volunteer meeting is happening momentarily at the Classic Motorsports tent on the west side of the compound, right next to the lane where you drove in. We are mustering for the volunteer meeting right now. Everybody will see you over there.
Guess not.
What?
I thought I had a spare dash cam mount in here. Oh, that's a beauty.
Mustang.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, he's got the Eleanor front clip on it too.
Mm-hmm.
Well, do you think we need to get started?
No.
Okay. You can do that.
Watch cars from there.
Yeah. That far enough, or we need to go a little further?
A little further, maybe. Okay.
Oh, you're sitting on it.
What?
My shirt.
Hello. Well, now there's this room right here. If you're not going to be here but a minute, you can park right beside us. That's okay. Come on and park right here. Okay. All right. You need me to sit or you want to stand?
Sit, that's all right. I'll just walk you through it real quick.
Just set it up there. My son's riding on no good with it. That's what he does for her. He takes pictures and puts them on YouTube. Videos. Yep. Okay. Yeah. So well, you want it there and not up here? Okay. Right below the shoulder. Okay. Yeah. No, my son's out there, so. Because the therapy is 3 hours a day. Okay. Well, I'm working 5 hours a day right now. I'm doing an hour a day. Or if I'm sitting in the chair and watching it. It didn't do anything. Well, I think I had too big of a gap, and that's why I ended up with it. Yeah, they were great. I'm a bad thing. I don't do what I'm supposed to. Yeah. And they did figure out. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of those. They just don't want to pay to do the go. It's like $65 a car. We belong to a company. We do some cars. Or sometimes it depends on the city. There's a lot of them. But I really want to laugh at the kids in church. It's money to do something. Waiting on it.
Yep. Prime real estate.
Yeah.
Oh,
Enjoy the show. Lots of cars.
damn Mercedes gonna try to get it from him.
Yeah.
No.
Oh,
Right there.
Yeah. Well, they can fight over it. There's a spot right there. Nope. There isn't a spot right there.
Nope.
Whew. What's wrong?
My seatbelt's caught in the door.
Oh.
Alright.
I'd say we could eat stop meat, but I think I'm too hot and sweaty. How about you?
Yeah, kinda. Let's go this way. Well, that wasn't such a good idea. Of course, that's cool.
Yeah. We've seen him.
Mm-hmm.
I so want out of this sling.
I'm going that way for a second.
Okay. What for?
Just riding.
There's your skate park.
Yep. Don't kick that too hard.
No. Just trying to stand it up. I guess you could park down here and walk across to the beach.
Yeah, right there.
That looks like they can drive onto the beach.
That is a drive on beach access, but I ain't doing it.
No.
I'm gonna come right back up through that parking lot.
Alright.
I just wanted to look, see what was here.
There's plenty of no parking signs. There's a lot of neat cars out here too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, look, my twin.
Yep.
I think I know that truck.
He's wanting to pull in somewhere. Somebody. I sweated so much banding. We'll fix this when we get home.
That's the Mercedes that wanted my spot on the other side.
Mm-hmm. So they didn't get our spot.
No, the ones that
Oh.
were waiting on it got it.
Yeah.
That Mercedes thought they were going to sneak in on it.
Yeah.
I don't know that I agree with people parking golf carts like cars.
Mm-mm. All right.
Nice.
What?
Wait for the last friggin' minute to turn his blinker on.
Mm. So they can't plan on that.
Nope.
Native dunes. Can't build on that.
That's
Also,
also
there's a walking path through there.
that's part of Fort Clinch, isn't it?
Yeah, I think it is.
Turtle crossing.
Mm-hmm.
All right, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the Main Beach Park, Amelia Island, Concours de Lemons, Classic Motorsports Magazine, Amelia Kickoff event. What a title. You have to get it all in there. Oh, and Concours de Lemons. I keep forgetting the Concours de Lemons. I keep forgetting my people. Those guys are the best. You know, because it don't look like it should be at a car show. I think they actually got kicked out of the Concours de Elegance. I'll have to do some research on that. But yeah, it's the weird, wacky, unusual cars. Those are my people, right there. But anyway, we did get to go out and enjoy some of the finer, I'm sorry, sarcastic, the finer things of life, cars. And some of the older, you know, import cars that, you know, like the German imports or the European imports. There we go. It's not really my speed of an event, but it's, you know, it's there and it's part of the concourse, and it's the only part of the concourse I can afford. I mean, it's free. It's a free spectator event. I mean, that's the only way I can get in there. That's the only way I can be associated with the Concours de Elegance, unless somebody gets me tickets. And even then, I'd be kind of hesitant to take them tickets, because the main Concours event, them tickets are ungodly expensive. And then to what they did to the cars community, a glorified cars and coffee event, they took it from being, you know, like, I think one year it was free, and then the next year they went like 20 or 30 bucks for entry. They've gone all the way to $65 for general admission. What? Really? Anyway, back to the one we're at, the main beach. We really enjoyed it because there's always something neat and interesting to look at that show. And it's free. Have to hammer that point. It's the free show. We got to enjoy it. I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're trying to grow our channel. We're at 356 subscribers. We're trying to get to 500 to get that initial monetization goal. I hope you guys will help us out on that and like, subscribe, share. Do all the things that make YouTube channels grow. And we'll see you guys out at the next car show. Whatever it may be. It'll be somewhere here in North Florida. So we'll see you guys out there.